Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows script host error in Appdata. The system cannot find the file specified. Open any browser, type sysinternals Autoruns in browser search bar. Click Autoruns for Windows. Download and extract files. Right-click Run as administrator. Search with VBS. Right-click marked entries, click Delete. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.